Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Zeplin for developer handoff and UI spec clarity, full guide step by step clearly. To start using Zeplin for developer handoff and UI spec clarity, first, ensure you have a Zeplin account. If you don't have one, visit the Zeplin website and sign up. Once logged in, create a new project by clicking the New Project button. Select the relevant platform for your project, such as iOS, Android, or web. Next, open your design tool, whether it's Sketch, Adobe XD, or Figma. From your design tool, export your design to Zeplin. In Sketch, for example, select the artboards you want to export. Then, click on the Zeplin plugin or use the export option to send the designs. In Adobe XD, use the Zeplin plugin found in the Plugins menu. For Figma, simply use the export feature and select Zeplin as the destination. Once exported, return to Zeplin and open your newly created project. You will see all your designs organized by artboards. Click on an artboard to view the UI elements and specifications. Here, you can find measurements, colors, fonts, and assets. Developers can easily copy the styles and code snippets provided. You can also add notes to each screen for better clarity. To facilitate collaboration, invite team members to join the project. Use the Invite Team Members button in the project overview. Once they accept, they will have access to all the specifications. Within Zeplin, ensure to keep your designs updated as changes occur. Regular updates help maintain clear communication with developers. Leverage Zeplin's version control to manage design iterations effectively. This way, both designers and developers stay aligned throughout the project. By using Zeplin, you can enhance the developer handoff process significantly. Following these steps will ensure UI spec clarity and streamlined collaboration. Now you're set to improve your design workflow with Zeplin. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.